days is the hottest in summer? The hottest time of day in summer is between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. And do you like sun or shade in summer? I like the sun in summer because it makes me feel happy and gives me energy. And I enjoy spending time outside when the weather is bright and sunny.
Wow, very nice. Very cool. Thank you. I like your answers. So maybe Aydar, you want to try? Goha, hello. How are you? Do you want to try?
Hello, everyone.
Oh, hello, Aydar.
Can I listen? Just listen. I'm driving right now.
Oh, okay. Okay. No problem.
Thank you.
Amantur, hello. So, Amantur, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurayim, and now we are answering to these questions. We are choosing only one question or answering all of them, or you can answer two if you want. Саламатсызбы, Амантур? Жашап берейин сизге. Мен атым Нурайым. Биз бул жерде бир суроону тандап, ошого жооп берип атабыз. Же болбосо үчүн баарына тең жооп берсеңиз болот. Калган суроолоруңузга. Do you want to try? Okay. Guys, ladies, if you want to answer again to these questions, we can come back. Сурасаңыздар, кайра артка коюп бере алам. Азыр болсо кийинкиге өтөйлү, слайдка. So, what do you usually do when it's very hot? Бул жерде суроо, анан кийин бул сүйлөмдү колдонуп жооп берсеңиздер болот. Бул боштукка бул сөздөрдү коюп, же болбосо өзүңүздөрдүн варианттарыңыздарды дагы айтсаңыздар болот.
Can I?
Yes, of course.
When it's very hot, I usually stay at home or swim. When it is very hot, I usually stay at home and take a cold shower and go to lake to swimming.
Oh. So you live near to the lake?
Yes.
Oh, this is so cool. The same question to Gulkayır. Gulkayır, do you also live near to lake? Any lake?
Yes, I live in school.
Oh, very nice.
Which village? In Saroy. What about you? I am from Kochkor, but Kochkor too near like school. Yeah. Then other villages, other place. Yes. And Ryan, where do you live?
This is very nice that you find each other. And what about me? I live in Bishkek for 5 years because of my study, but I'm from Talas, and we don't have lake. We don't have lake, but we have the water oh my god, I forgot this word. Эме бар. Водохранилище бар биздин жаныбызда. Ошол жака көп. Yes. So yes. And let's listen to others. Ladies, Elisa, what about you?
When it's very hot, I usually stay indoors and drink cold water.
Oh, nice. Janara, what about you?
When it's very hot, I usually avoid going out during the hottest hours. And I wear light clothes and yes, wearing sunglasses and use the air conditioner. Yes, it's right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So Begim, what about you? Hello. Maybe she's busy. Sumaya, yes. Sumaya, sizin сөйлөгөнүңүз болбой жатат бизге дагы деле.
When it's very hot, I usually stay at home, but sometimes I need go to outside, and I wear sunglasses and a hot hat.
Very
And,
nice. Улантырыңыз, кечиресиздер.
And when I in outside, I try to stay in the shade. Oh, that's all.
Very nice. Okay, thank you. What about Amantur? Okay, we have new person, Akbar. Hello. My name is Nurayim, and now we are talking about the summer weather, and we are discussing the question, what do you usually do when it's very hot? You can use this sentence with these words, or you can make up your sentence. Oh, he left. Oh, мен да байкап калдым жаңы. Окей, анда бул суроо менен бүтсөк, анда кийинкиге өтө берейли. What do you like to eat or drink in hot weather? Баягыдай эле бул сүйлөмдү колдонсоңуздар болот, ошол жардамчы сөздөр менен, же болбосо өзүңүздөрдү көндүрсөңүздөр болот.
In hot weather, I like to drink straw. If I was in Bishkek.
And what do you drink in Ысыктан?
In school?
Uh-huh.
Mojito and eat ice cream.
Oh. Yes, Elisa?
In hot weather, I like to eat ice cream, and in hot weather, I go swimming.
You go swimming. Okay. Very nice.
The answer.
Yes, of course. We can't hear you. Биз сизди укпай атабыз. Гүлкайыр? I think there is problems with connection. What about others? Janara, what about you?
In hot weather, I prefer to eat watermelon from the fridge and drinks from the fridge, and of course, ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now.
In hot weather, I like to eat ice cream and drink different drinks like mojito and lemonade.
Okay. What about Akbar? Asil, hello. Amantur. Oh, I see your microphone is on. You can answer.
Hello, Nuraim. Hello.
Кечиресиз, Мантур биринчи ачыктан.
Ага.
Чатабы. Саламатсызбы?
Саламатсыздарбы? Меники катып калып атат да, мен биринчи жолу кирдим эле сабакка, чынан аракет кылып көрөйүн, кантсе дагы.
Аракет кылыр бул жакта бар эле.
In hot weather, I like to drink green tea. Көк чай ушундай болобу?
Yes.
Green tea, yes.
Green tea.
Муздар деп койсоң, ice tea деп койсоң.
Ice green tea десеңиз болот.
Maybe everything boys like ice tea.
Every boy. Oh, okay. I don't know.
Because I was see boys he they drinks maxi tea or sultan chai. Always.
Sultan tea.
I thought like green tea is like, do you know that hot black tea or something like this? I thought like this, but hot one. Oh, but cold one. Тұрам емес үшін отырым. So, what if no one ложка? Guys, what about ashlamfu or окрошка? Do you like it? Кечиресиздер угуп жатамбы бул жерде? Же интернетим жакшы болбой атат?
Эми угулуп калдым.
Окей. Өзүм дагы байкап калдым. So I was asking, do you like ashlamfu or окрошка? Is someone likes it in this group?
Окрошка деген эле?
Муздак шорпо эме менен.
Айран.
Огурцы. Зелень. Maybe ashlamfu loves only suckers people.
Дагы катып калды.
Угулуп жатабы эми?
Эми угулуп жатат.
Азыр экранды транслировать этейин. Wi-Fi менен проблемалар болуп атат окшойт. So, окрошка is cold soup made from ayran and cucumber. Do you like it?
This question is for everyone.
Yes, for everyone.
So hello. Yes, I like it. I love this food. So summertime is very nice.
Very nice. Okay. What do you like to eat or drink in hot weather in summer?
I don't have favorite food. I eating everything.
Everything. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. Улантырыңыз. So then let's go on with next question. Next is do you go outside or stay indoors when it's 35 degree? Кечирсиздер, угулуп жатабы бардыгы?
Ооба, угулуп атат.
Okay. So, do you go outside or stay indoors? Go outside деген сыртка чыгуу, stay indoors деген бул үйдүн ичинде же имараттын ичинде калуу дегенди билдирет да. When it's 35 degree or more. Адаттагыдай эле бул жерде мисал сүйлөм катары ошону колдонсоңуздар болот. Же you can make up your own sentence. You can start when you will ready.
When it is 35 degrees or more, I usually want to stay at home because 35 degrees is a hottest weather. Maybe I can sunbathing, or I will be maybe как ооруп калыш мүмкүн дегенде эле.
Get ill.
Get ill, maybe. So.
And when it's nothing. From the. So, what about Asil?
Hello everyone. Hello Nurayim.
Hello.
When it's 35 or more, I usually go to a swimming pool because I like swimming, and I go to with family. And go outside.
For example, when it's 35 degree, and you are working and you need to go not for swimming pool but outside in the city maybe, What do you usually take with you?
Yes. I have no time. I am working. I have no time. Вот постоянно ехать, да, вот на бассейн.
When I wasn't
I go to Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, but when you are working, what are you taking with you? Мындай өзүңүз менен чыгышка эмне алып жүрөсүз? Ысыктан сактаныш үчүн.
I national drink жарма, чалап, and green tea.
A cap, yes. Or a hat.
What?
Hat дагы айтып атышат бул жерден баш кийим деп.
Yes.
Yeah. Very nice, thank you.
Hi everyone, hi guys. Hi Nurayim, long time no see.
Hello. Yes, long time no see. I'm okay, what about you?
I'm fine. Oh, okay, there's a question. When it's 35 degrees or more, I usually prefer stay at home. I don't see there any other options because it's too hot. Actually, you can go outside or you can go somewhere with your friends. That's it. There is, I think, only one option that you can go to, or you can go swimming. And when it's too hot, I prefer to drink some soft drinks like Coke or Pepsi. That's it.
Okay, thank you. What about Maya? Elisa, yes, I see your phone is on.
When it's that hot, I stay inside and watch movies or read a book.
Okay. It's also very nice, thank you. And what about others? If you're ready, you can answer now. If not, we can go with the next task.
Can I?
Yes.
When it's 35 degrees hot or more, I usually prefer stay indoors because it's more dangerous our hills, and I take cool showers because it helps to lower our body temperature, and I prefer take with me a glass of cold water and umbrella.
Very nice. So let's go on. There is, I think, 4 or 5 pictures. We can describe it. We need to describe these pictures. What are they doing? What do you see in this picture? And some like this. Өзүңүздөрдүн сөзүңүздөр менен сүрөттөй берсеңиздер болот. Андан кийин жардам керек болгондо биз сиздерге жардам беребиз.
I can start.
Yes.
Okay, there is 2 people, man and woman. They're sitting on the beach and relaxing, and I think they're enjoying the view.
So, who else wanna describe it? Мүмкүн силер башкачараак эметесиздер, сүрөттөйсүздөр. Okay, let's go with the next one then. Elisa, do you want to describe this one?
They are relaxing.
Smiling.
Smiling. And all people sunglasses.
Wear. All of them wear. Keep турат дегендей.
Wear glasses.
I think there is a family, grandfather and father and the children, and I think that there is someone taking picture of them.
Maybe yes. Yes, Aydana, do you want to add something?
Биринчи сүрөттө.
Oh, okay.
These two men, they are maybe in Maldives. They are having fun. Maybe they making plans to future.
For the future and
these men are very rich.
Rich. Oh. Why do you think that they are very rich?
Because rich people так лежат.
I don't think so.
Laughing like this.
Not only rich men can relax or can enjoy.
Yeah.
Everyone can do this. Even
I
you.
agree. Yes, I agree with Ruslan. What about Asela? I see you want to add something.
I think there are married. Relation in school. And
but there are like
it more looks like Miami Beach.
Miami Beach.
Maybe.
Not fun.
Yeah, we don't have fun.
Yes.
Maybe
Miami, Maldives.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe Maldives.
But this year, in Balıkçı have sperm.
Really? Are they like? Are they
Муж деген кандай болот эле? Муж
деген
husband. Yes. This picture, this woman, this I am
wife and husband.
And my husband.
You and your okay. You are visualizing, right? Visualizация кылып
Yes. We go to in summer school. At relation.
No.
Can I?
Yes.
People to get a tan on the beach.
Oh yeah. So let's go with the next one. What do you think about this picture? Yes, Aydana.
I see grandfather, father, and children's. Maybe they take a photo. Not to make a photo. So
Take a photo then туралы болду. Someone taking a photo, taking a picture of them, yes.
When photograph say smile and they smiling.
Yeah, maybe. So then let's go with next picture. Is
Kyrgyz жайлоо.
Yes, Kyrgyz жайлоо. So биз азыркы сүйлөшүп аткан тема боюнча бул эмеде ысыктан кантип сактанат деген темада. Ошондуктан булар they may be like taking rest next to the water, next to a beach, or next to the ocean or lake. This are like these people are wearing the glasses, using sunglasses from hot weather, and this is nature. Yes, this is how Kyrgyz people.
Kyrgyz people when with the hottest everything go to the low.
Yes.
I wonder what are they cooking inside of this bozy. It's too hot and they're cooking inside.
Oh, really? Oh, this is very also interesting. And what else? Maybe they are doing hot tea, as Kyrgyz people love.
Yes, but it's too hot. They can make it outside.
The white tent for the guest.
For the
guests.
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 Guests. It is place maybe Sonkol.
Sonkol. Oh. Some other ideas where it can be. What place is it?
I have a question for you guys. If you want to answer. Do you prefer to go to a beach or to the nature in summer or in hot weather?
Oh, so Ruslan asks question from all of us. Do you prefer to go to beach or to go to the nature? Do you mean mountains, Ruslan?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you prefer mountains or beaches in the hot weather?
When it's too hot.
In summer.
Yeah.
So as for me, I think if I'm in Kyrgyzstan, I will go to Jailo, because last year I have been in Susamur, and I really like it. How it was there. It was like cold weather, and it even rained a little bit, and it was perfect because that time my family was in Bishkek, and they all told me like it's very hot here, but I was in the mountains and it was perfect weather. Even in the evening it was cold, and I really like it. What about you guys?
In my opinion, natural mountains mentally for the забыла.
You mean mountains helps for mental health?
For the rest. Mental for the rest. And Here, all of them natural foods. Not internet. So that's all.
Okay. What do you think, Janara? Do you prefer
I choose both options.
both options?
Yes, nature and beach or perfect choice maybe for summer relaxing summer rest.
What about hot weather? When it's really hot.
In really hot, maybe nature, because on the at the mountains will be more cold than on the.
Okay. I saw your microphone was on. What do you choose?
I think mountains and Bozui in summer, and I like when I tried it's walking. I like go to Jailo. For example, Karakoi, Halai. Jailo, I go to Jailo and drink hummus. This picture, I think women make hummus. Да? Hummus делает, наверное.
Yes. I don't know. Let's zoom it. Zoom it in. No, they're like washing something.
Yes, washing.
Yes, washing.
And I don't think it's like I choose like perfect picture for. I don't think it's summer. Maybe it's I don't know, spring, because there is like they are making something at home and also
maybe spring.
I also think spring, but anyway, okay. So thank you, Aysel. Let's listen to new people. Жаңы кишилер кошулган экен. Салам достор, биз азыр бизде бир катышуучу суроо берди. Жайында сиздер жайлоого барганды жакшы көрөсүздөрбү же пляжга барганды жакшы көрөсүздөрбү деген суроону анан кийин ошол суроого жооп берип атканбыз. Кааласаңыздар ойлоруңуздар менен бөлүшүңүздөр. What do you prefer, the beach or the mountains? Yeah, I see one microphone on. Hey, what is your name?
Hello guys, my name is Aftangil.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I prefer go to Jailo because there was clean water, clean weather, and are you hearing me? Hello.
Ооба, угуп жатасыз. Улантырыңыз. Aftangil, I think some problems with internet connection maybe. Let's go to the next question. Oh, next picture. Yes, someone asked, can I? You can. Байкабай калдым, бирөө жооп берсем болобу деп үмүттө. Eliza, yes.
I
What do you see this?
I love
Okay.
I love hiking. I love hiking in the mountains, and I enjoy the fresh air and the silence. And that's all.
Very nice. So Ruslan, a lot of people answered your question. What about you? What do you choose? Mountains or beach?
Yes, I prefer to go to the mountains.
Mountains.
Yes.
Okay. And let's talk about this picture. What do you see?
I see there's a woman. I think she is too thirsty and she's drinking the water because I think it's too hot, and she's staying in front of the, what do you call this sink? I don't know.
Fan?
Yes,
think you
she's
can.
staying in front of
Like
fan and getting cold, I think.
Like this. Fan.
Fan.
Yeah. Maybe it is very hot here. The girl drinks water and uses air conditioner.
Use air conditioner to cool down деп айтсақ болады ғой деймін.
Cool down?
Ооба, салқындануу үчүн.
Okay.
Yes. So cool down is a new word from for today. Ысыктан кийин денени салкын абага келтирүү деген мааниде.
The girl doesn't go anywhere.
Maybe she come from outside.
Maybe.
She came from outside. Yes. So let's go with the next question. What is your favorite way to cool down? As usual, we have example. You can
Cool
use it.
down. Прохладение.
Сіздерге экран көрініп жатабы? Okay.
Taking a cold shower болады ма? Taking a cold shower. When I come outside, I always taking a cold shower to cool down. And eat iced watermelon. After eating, I go to sleep.
Very nice. Who else? Кааласаңыздар бул жерде акыркы посттун астына эметсеңиздер болот. Комментарий катарында мисалдарыңыздарды калтырсаңыздар болот. Жооп бере албай жаткан болсоңуздар.
My favorite way to cool down is, I think, is drinking cold water or soft drinks because it's easy. Just you can take the bottle of water and you can drink. And the second one is staying in the shade. It will also help. And the third one option is taking a cold shower. I think this is the best way, but I'm too lazy to get up and take the shower. That's why I prefer to staying in the shade and drinking cold water.
Ruslan, where you study?
I have finished it already.
What? I don't.
Я закончил уже, я не учусь.
Which university you finished?
Kyrgyz State Technical University. I did not graduate. I dropped it off in third course.
At that moment, you worked?
Sorry?
I work? At that moment, I work?
Yes,
Are
I'm
you
working
working?
now. Yes, I'm working.
Your English so good.
Hiç kadar danışıklar.
Yeah. Yes, girls, sorry, Aidana, for interrupting Ruslan, because it's like 8 p.m. and I want to other guys to answer you, to talk, to practice, and азыр эметели да 5 мүнөттөй сүйлөшөйлү, анан кийин эфирди бүтүрөйүн. Ошондуктан азыр сүйлөшкүңүздөр келсе, микрофонуңуздарды кошуп сүйлөшөңүздөр. Мен жакта бул список көрүнбөй калды. Билбейм эмнеге, ноутбугум иштебей калды, жакшы көрүнбөй атасыздар. Өзүңүздөр эле микрофонду кошуп эметөңүздөр, жооп бере бериңиздер.
Can I come work?
Yes.
In hot weather, when I come from outside, at first I wash my feet in cold water because it makes me to feel cool down. And then if I have time, I like to take a not cold shower. I like to take warm shower. And of course, I like staying in the shade.
Very nice. So, Eliza, maybe you want to answer? Жаңы бирөөнү укканда можно я деп турмун.
My favorite way to cool down is to go for a swim. Nothing beats the water on a hot day.
Okay, very nice. Who else? Өзүңүздөр эле эметөрүздөр окшойт. Микрофонду жандырып, даяр болсоңуздар жооп бере бериңиздер. Because I really cannot see you.
I think this summer is getting not hotter. I think it's getting colder.
Colder.
This year.
About this also I have the presentation. Сиздер менин презентациямды көрө алатсыздарбы? Көрүнүп жатабы? So there was where's the this one, yes. Do you think is this summer getting hotter, or I thought this summer will be the hottest one, but now it's like not like this. Майлардан кийин ысык болду го аябай. Because of this I was thinking like this.
Maybe.
What do you think? What other people also think? Janara, what do you think? I think she's not here. Okay. Aidana. Өзүм эстегендерди эле айтып атам да азырчы. Кааласаңыздар айта бериңиздер. If you don't want, then let's finish our lesson. If you don't have answers. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's finish the lesson for today. Thank you for being with me. I'm so sorry that at the last moment I have some problems, and it was really good talking club today. I really like it. A lot of all of you were so active. Hope you see it next week. So bye.
Thank you so much. See you soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.